Internet Communication Manager. When a HTTP request is sent from the web browser to SAP NetWeaver application server, the data acquisition is done from the database and the selection result is sent back to the web browser in HTTP response. But how the server receives and processes requests from the internet? The Internet Communication Manager ensures communication between SAP NetWeaver application server and the web browser. Internet Communication Manager contains the TCP/IP basic functions, thus SMTP communication with SAP NetWeaver application server is possible. In the Internet Communication Framework, we can find ICF controller, ICF manager with interface if HTTP server, HTTP request handler with interface if HTTP extension, and the application. This Internet Communication Framework resides within Internet Communication Manager, that is ICM, and which is inside SAP NetWeaver application server. It exists as a service within the NetWeaver application servers. So from the web browser, when request is sent to the NetWeaver application server, Internet Communication Manager processes and does all the functionality required to send back the response to the web browser. Let us see the functionality of Internet Communication Manager. Internet Communication Manager started and monitored by the dispatcher. It receives HTTP request and the ICF controller is started by the task handler, which is implemented by a function module called HTTP dispatch request. The authentication of SAP system takes place in task handler. ICF controller creates an object of a class CL HTTP server, and the HTTP request is forwarded to the application by calling a method handle request, and the application processes the request and returns the HTTP response to the application. Thus, the communication between the server and web browser is possible because of Internet Communication Manager. Let us quickly take quick notes on Internet Communication Manager. The ICM is a separate service within SAP NetWeaver application server. It is started and monitored by the dispatcher. It receives HTTP request. ICF controller is started by task handler, which is implemented by a function module HTTP dispatch request. Authentication of SAP system takes place in handler. ICF controller creates an object of the class CL HTTP server. The request is forwarded to application by calling method handle request. Application processes the request and result is returned to the application in the HTTP response. How SAP NetWeaver application server can be accessed externally, that is from the internet? The answer to this question is in transaction SICF. Call transaction SICF and execute it with the default settings in your SAP system. Check Via the menu path, go to port information. Let us see this in the screen. In the transaction SICF, click execute. And in the next screen, click go to port information. In the dialog box, you will find the host name and the service of the relevant system. The URL for an OData service in web browser consists of hostname, service, and the remainder of the URL is from the relevant ICF path. Let's take an example. The path selected below in SICF transaction is accessible from the URL, that is hostname, service, SAP, public, BC, UI5 underscore UI5. The SAP UI development toolkit is concealed behind this path. This you can access in the web browser. In the next video, we'll see the REST OData protocol design principles and building blocks of OData implementation. Thank you.